Okay, the second part you were asked to do was page 390 under the guided practice to see what you did. The first portions, 1, 2, 3, and 4, you were asked to compare greater than, less than, or equal to. The first one is a positive number versus a negative number. Again, anytime you see positive and negative being compared, automatically don't stress over it. The positive number will always be larger than the negative number. Here, number 2, we have like fractions. The denominators are the same. These are called like fractions. Again, a positive versus a negative, greater than symbol. Number 3, they tried to trick you. You have negative 6 7/10 as a decimal, and then you have the mixed fraction 6 7/10 negative. Notice I pretty much said it again, but if I needed to write this as a decimal value, there it is, and there it is. So these two were equal. And then the last one, number 4, you had negative 5/6 versus negative 94, or 94/100 rather. I need to change this to a decimal. And how are we going to do that? We are going to do cowboy horse. Again, the top number goes in. Annex a 0, plant the decimal up. 6 will go into 5, 0 times. I'm going to throw a negative. So again, a lot of you people forgot that symbol the other day. 6 will go into 50, 8 times, 48. Subtract, it's a 2. I'll bring it down. Make that a 3. Dot 83 versus dot 94. And notice, I don't even need to bother doing it again and again, because I'm going to get that 2. And if I'm going to get that 2, I'm going to have my bar notation. So negative 5/6 is now equal to negative 83/100 with the bar notation. Is negative 5/6 greater than, less than, or equal to negative 94? Here, because this dot 8 is closer to 0 than this dot 9 on the left side of the number line, I'm going to rewrite and say negative 5/6, which is again known as this value, is greater than, and that's what that looks like. The last one was number 6. You had to put these in order from least to greatest. Let me make sure I write that down. Least to greatest. Okay. I have positive 2.1. I have negative 2.1. I have a 2 1/11, and then I have negative 2. Let's look at just the smallest numbers. My smallest numbers are going to be my negatives. Negative 2 and my negative 2.1. Okay? But between the two, I'm looking at a number line. And if I needed to draw a number line, here's 0, here's 1, here's 1.1, and these are all negatives. Here's 2, here's negative 2.1. So the smallest number, because from 0, as the negative numbers go to the left, they get smaller. This negative 2.1 is going to be the first one listed, and then the negative 2. But now I have 2, dot 1 bar notation, and then 2 and 1/11. I need to see if this one is going to be after or before this one. So let's look at it. Cowboy horse on the 1/11. Okay, 11 will go into 1 0 times. 11 will go into 10 0 times. I'm going to annex a 0. 11 will go in 100 9 times. I'm going to bring down another 0. That's 0 times. And I'll do one more. And that's 9 times. Okay, but here's the kinker. I didn't have to keep on going forever. In my bar notation was going to be the 0 9 as repeating. But here's the thing. I have two numbers here after this decimal. Automatically, I already have one number after the decimal, and this one is saying 1 1 1 1 1 all over the place. So here, this new answer is 2.09, because there was that 2 in front of it. I'm going to bring it back again. 2.09 versus 2.1, 1 versus 0. Okay, so then we're going to throw down 2.2 and 1/11 rather, and then 2.1. So, least to greatest. Negative 2.1 was first. Then negative 2. Then 2 and 1/11. And then 2.1 bar notation. Now I'm going to give you an assignment, and it's going to be over all of this, and try to get that back to me on Friday. I'll shoot you an email as to what specifically you'll be working on. If you have any questions, again, send me an email. Maybe we can video conference each other. We can get that set up if you need to. Just let me know. Thank you.